Have you ever wondered if upgrading to premium economy is really worth it? Today, we're diving into Lufthansa's Boeing 747-800 to find out if those extra dollars make a difference. From the seat space to the meal service to those little perks, we're putting Lufthansa's premium economy to the test. So sit back and relax. Let's see if this upgrade is worth your next big flight. Welcome back to Explore This Way and the first airplane seat review here on the channel. I have been looking forward to this for quite some time, and let me tell you, there are multiple high-end plane seat reviews coming your way in the next month. In addition to that, there will be reviews of high-end hotel suites as well. I hope you are as excited for the future as I am. Now, let's jump into the review of the Lufthansa Boeing 747-800 Premium Economy. For this review, we're on board Lufthansa's iconic Boeing 747-8, flying from Tokyo Haneda to Frankfurt, a 14-hour journey across continents. Lufthansa's configuration on this aircraft includes 8 luxurious first-class suites, 80 fully flatbed business class seats, 32 reclining seats in premium economy, and 244 standard economy seats. I'm seated in 24G, right in the heart of premium economy, where we'll get to experience firsthand what the upgrade offers on this long-haul adventure. Right away, the seat in premium economy felt like an upgrade from standard economy. The console between the seats was wider, with a small pocket where I found my amenity kit and a pair of slippers, an unexpected touch of comfort. It also doubled as a convenient little table for my pre-departure drink. Between each seat was a handy water bottle holder, with a bottle already waiting for each passenger. Lucky for me, my neighbor's seat was empty, so I got to enjoy 2 bottles during the flight. There was also a standard storage pocket for magazines, along with a small shelf just below the TV screen, the perfect spot for my phone. Being 2 meters tall, having actual space between my knees and the seat in front is a luxury. I was genuinely impressed by the legroom. No worries here about bumping my knees. Unlike the 343 layout in economy, premium economy offers a 242 setup, allowing for more width per seat. My premium economy seat measured 48 centimeters across compared to 43 centimeters in economy, and though it might sound small, it was surprisingly noticeable. Having extra room to adjust and settle into a comfortable position made all the difference on this long-haul flight. Waiting at my seat for departure was a small pillow, not exactly plush, but enough to catch some rest. Paired with it was a blanket that proved useful beyond the flight itself, especially during my overnight stay in the airport. A blanket can make those layovers outside closed terminals much more manageable. The slippers were a welcome touch, letting me kick off my shoes and settle in comfortably right after boarding. The amenity kit was also a pleasant surprise, tucked into a sleek Porsche design bag that's handy enough that I've kept it for storage at home. Inside, I found the basics: earplugs, an eye mask, a dental kit, socks, and a refreshing towel. Though I would have loved a hot towel, that might be asking a bit much in premium economy. Still, these extras added a thoughtful touch to the experience. Right after boarding, I was greeted with a refreshing pre-departure drink, some juice to start the journey off right. One of the thoughtful details that sets premium economy apart from economy is the paper menu we received, which added a touch of class to the experience. Shortly after takeoff, they served us some salt pretzels and drinks, which made for a nice, relaxed start to the flight. I paired mine with a Coke, an ideal snack to kick off a long journey. The dinner menu offered chicken pastrami and sushi for starters, followed by a choice between braised chicken with chasseur sauce and mashed potatoes or a pork cutlet bowl with tonkatsu sauce and steamed rice. I opted for the braised chicken, which turned out to be a solid meal. Nothing extraordinary, but definitely satisfying. For dessert, a praline cake with caramel sauce rounded things off nicely. Later in the flight, we were served a second meal: linguine pasta in a creamy tomato sauce with cheese. Not exceptional, but enjoyable nonetheless. Fresh seasonal fruit followed as dessert, which was a refreshing touch. On top of the 2 main meals, the crew handed out small snacks here and there. I enjoyed a chocolate bar with my first meal and another small chocolate treat mid-flight. Meals were served on a relatively large, sturdy table that folded out from the console, definitely an upgrade from the usual tray in economy. And then something completely unexpected happened. While I was asleep, a member of the crew woke me up with a surprise. She placed a rose, high-quality chocolate, and a glass of champagne on my table, served with a Lufthansa first-class napkin. I was genuinely shocked and couldn't quite understand why I'd been chosen for this surprise. What do you think? Drop your best guess in the comments and I'll reveal the reason at the end of the video. Before landing, we were given a pre-landing snack, an onigiri, a Japanese rice snack with fish and nori wrapped into a neat triangle. Simple but tasty, it was a nice way to close out the dining experience on this flight. So, after experiencing everything premium economy has to offer, is it worth the upgrade? For me, the answer is yes, especially if you can snag a good deal. The extra legroom, added amenities, better dining, and overall comfort made the journey significantly more enjoyable. But a word to the wise. Be sure to watch prices carefully, as they can fluctuate a lot. A fair premium can make this upgrade an excellent investment for a long-haul flight, but an excessive jump in price might not be as appealing. Overall, if you're looking for a more comfortable journey without breaking the bank on business class, premium economy could be the perfect choice. Let's go back to that surprise treat from the flight crew. Here's what happened. As a small gesture of appreciation, I gifted a box of chocolates to the crew member who welcomed me on board, thinking it would be a nice pick-me-up for their long 14-hour shift. To my surprise, this little token earned me an unexpected mid-flight treat, a rose, high-quality chocolate, and a glass of champagne. Sometimes, a little kindness goes a long way. And that wraps it up for this first review. Please leave feedback in the comments for me to improve already in my next review. I'm excited about the months ahead, with lots of fantastic hotels and flights ready to be explored. Spoiler alert, we'll be back on this very same plane, Lufthansa's 747-8, but next time in business class. Plus, I've got some incredible business class experiences lined up with Air France, Thai Airways, and KLM, just to name a few. So, stay tuned, and until next time, remember to explore this way.